Today I will show you how you can deploy your Next.js project on Cloudflare. I will deploy this project which is currently running on localhost. Now open your project and then open your terminal. Then paste this command and we got an error. It because we are using Next.js 16 and Cloudflare using Next.js 15. So to fix it, we can just add this legacy peer dependency flag. I will provide all the necessary commands on somewhere on the description. After that, create a OpenNext config file and here paste this code. After that, create a wrangler.jsonc file and paste this code. For name, give your project name. Now go to your package.json file and add those new 3 commands. Now we can test building the app. Run this command and it's building. Okay, there is a warning, but the app is built successfully. Now let's preview the build with this command. And we got this error. This error is because we have some large file on our assets folder, and I think we have those videos, and for now I will just delete them and it will fix the error. Now let's run the preview command again. And now it's successful. And we got this localhost 8787 port. Let's open it. And it's currently running successfully. That means our config is working. Now let's deploy it on Cloudflare. Now close it and run this command and it will open our browser, and of course you have to have a Cloudflare account and then authorize, and it will be logged in your machine. Now let's deploy this with this deploy command. Okay, it's deployed successfully. Now let's go to our Cloudflare dashboard. And then go to compute and worker and pages. Here you can see it's deployed. Click this to visit the site, and as you can see it's deployed successfully on this URL. You can set any env with this command. It will be your env name and this will be the env value, and it's successfully set. You can also set this from Cloudflare dashboard. Just go to settings and here the env we set previously. You can add another one from here. Now let's add GitHub auto deploy like parcel. From the project setting, just scroll down and from here connect, search your project. If you are not connected to the GitHub, you will see option to connect GitHub. Leave everything as it is and then click connect. And it's connected successfully. Now let's go to the code, change something, and we'll see if it get deployed automatically or not. And from here I will just change it from A to link, Next.js link, and then push the code. Let's go back to Cloudflare dashboard and see, and let's refresh, and we actually got an error. Well, this error is because dependency conflict. To fix the error, we simply have to create a .npm-rc file, and here paste this code and do this equal to true, and now it will fix the error. Let's push this, and now let's check, and let's refresh. Here it's building now, and let's see. And it now built successfully and everything is working. Now let's see the live side, and it's working. And this is how you can deploy your Next.js project on Cloudflare. Thanks for watching.